Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day.
Hi friends, this is Swati. Welcome to my channel, My Craft World.
In this video, we are going to learn how to use the empty bottle to make a beautiful flower vase.
Please like and subscribe my channel.
Things needed: ball chains, gold, purple, silver and copper color, black acrylic paint, empty bottle, plastic mirrors, ball chain bead, fabric glue, scissors, measurement tape and paintbrush. Take an empty bottle painted with acrylic black color. Take a measurement tape and mark on every inch of circumference as shown. At the bottle's lower end, mark on every inch of circumference as shown. Measure the silver ball chain from upper mark to lower mark -1 and cut it. Make such ball chain pieces 10 numbers. Start pasting these silver ball chain pieces as shown. Take a ball chain and paste it around the circumference of the bottle as shown. Do the same here with another silver ball chain. Take some plastic mirrors and paste it as shown. Take gold chain and measure around the mirror and cut it. Make such pieces with gold, purple and copper ball chains. Now paste these ball chains around the mirrors. Take 2 silver and 1 purple ball chain, paste it around the bottle's neck as shown. Paste one more ball chain and paste it around the circumference of the bottle as shown. Make a ball chain bead with purple and gold ball chain. Using a ball chain bead and ball chains, decorate the bottle at its neck as shown. Our beautiful decorating bottle is ready.
Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe my channel and hit the bell button for future notifications.